So the next one I'm going to show you is an Icelandic bind off. It's also a stretchy bind off. It's a variation on the decrease one that I showed you before. It's got quite a fun little maneuver. It's got a nice bit of stretch to it and it creates a braided edge along the top. So let's show you how it's done. Step 1 is to insert our right needle into the first stitch on our left needle as if we're going to purl it, but don't take it off the needle. Then you grab that front leg of the next stitch and pull it through that first stitch and then knit it. I'll show you again. And then you drop them both off the needle. Now slide that back to the left needle and we'll start again. Put your needle in, your right needle into the first stitch as if to purl, but don't take it off. Grab that front leg of the second stitch and pull it right through that first stitch, knit it, and then drop both off the needle. I'll show you one more time. Slide it back and do it all over again. As if to purl in the front stitch, as if to knit the second stitch, you grab that front leg and pull it through the first stitch and then knit it. And then you drop them both off. It's quite a fun little thing. And then slide it back. Right, I'm going to work all the way to the end and then I'll show you what the braid looks like. So I slid it back, I'm going to purl, grab my stitch through, knit, and drop, slide back. You just want to give things a little tug as you're going along so that your tension stays even across the top. And then when you get to the last stitch, don't slide it over to the left needle, just leave it on the right needle. Wind your yarn over as if to knit, lift that stitch up and over and pull that yarn all the way through so you have a tail. And there is your braided edge. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty little braided edge. I could have been a bit tighter there. So just keep your tension even as you're working along. But it's actually a really lovely little way to finish cuffs, bottom of jumpers, neckbands, and so on. It's just a nice little braided edge, the Icelandic bind off.